This is going to be a video tutorial on how to close all tabs at once on the Firefox app using an iOS device. I will be using an iPhone for this. Let me jump over to my iPhone here. I am on my phone now and I have Firefox opened up. To close all tabs at once, if you look down here at the bottom, you could see my little tab icon and it has a 5 in it. I have 5 tabs opened up. If I tap on that, I can see all the tabs that I have opened up here. Now to close them all at once, I'm going to go down to this little trash can down in the lower left hand corner. I'm going to tap on that trash can and then it gives me the option to close all tabs. If I tap on close all tabs, now as you can see I only have one tab opened up. That's the tab that I'm currently on. That is how to close all tabs at once on the Firefox app using an iOS device. Thanks for watching.